So what certification should you take as a developer as your first certification? Well, of course, Platform Developer 1. What else can you take? You're a developer, or you want to be a developer, so you should take developer certifications. I'm an example of person who took as the first certification Developer 1 certification, and it was way easier than any admin certifications. Well, you need to get a broad understanding of the ecosystem. You don't. Depends, of course, on where you work and like what company you work in and what country and so on. But in most cases, as a developer, you're gonna write code, and you will not even have that much of the understanding of the Salesforce platform, and you don't need to. You need to understand it good enough so that you can write code, but you don't need to go into very specific stuff like territory management or sharing rules or whatever, or being good at flows. Developer 1 certification is the nearest certification to the real world working as a Salesforce developer that you can get. So you need to get this one as the first one. Don't spread your attention to anything else. You're a developer, take developer certifications. Now, is it gonna be enough? No, because actually the intersection between what you're gonna do as a developer in most cases and what is in Developer 1 certification, the intersection is around 30% maybe, maximum. So Platform Developer 1 is really not that much of the real world, and actually it contains a lot of admin stuff that you don't have to understand as a developer. For example, understanding the difference between lookups and master details. Why do you need it as a developer? Especially as a junior developer, if it's your first certification. You don't really need to understand it that much, because in Apex, that's just all the same, it's just an ID and that's it. You don't need to understand the sharing rules between them, unless you're doing something very specific, but then you can learn specifically for this case, this piece of knowledge. And when you're working as a developer, you obviously will pick up some knowledge from administration. And you can use this knowledge to then go and pass your admin certification or whatever, or just not pass. For example, I didn't even bother doing the certifications, because why would I? Because the skill set of a developer and the certifications that you like, admin certification or platform builder certification, they're so different. They have like very few intersections, and like you need the certifications only if you want to write Linux certified on your LinkedIn and be happy about that. So I have Developer 1 certification and Developer 2 certification, which was kind of tough. So don't stress out with other certifications. Don't listen to people who say that you need to be 10x certified to get your junior role. No, you don't need. You need Developer 1 certification, you need projects, and the most importantly, you need the skills, because companies, guess what? They're paying for skills. If you're a skilled developer, you will be hired even as a junior. So don't spread your attention to all the other stuff. Study coding, study programming, software engineering, take the Platform Developer 1 certification, get good at projects, present your projects, and get hired and make money. See you.